Player Geek here. Hello, and I'm glad that you're here with me. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you my personal deck. Actually, this deck I'm actually phasing out right now, parts of it, due to the numbers that are sorry, the letters that are currently the current regulation marks. I do play with non-sanctioned, I guess you'd say, Pokemon TCG battles, and you can use, to a point, a lot of places that I play, they do allow regulation marks that are older or been phased out. The current mark is if it's G or under, you got to bounce them if you play the regulation Pokemon TCG, H, I, and J. They're good. So let me show you my personal deck. And like I said, I'm phasing a lot of these cards out. And you'll see, let me take it out of my box here. And I use, oh yes, Journey Together. I love those. Okay, so I'm going to set my box here. I'll show you. See how I'm trying to get this big spread here. Okay. So I've got a lot of Caterpies here, obviously. But got my Caterpie. Of course, see, there's my Caterpie is I, so that's nice. I do have a lot of G Metapods. And I've got my G Metapod. And obviously my Butterfree. They're still mixed up. So, okay, there's my Butterfree. There we go. And I use Smoliv. Very cool. That's G. See, I've got a bounce Smoliv out. Smoliv. Very cool. Very sweet. Got a bounce. Out. I use Snoper. Nice. G is a whale. See, I play mostly where I play, we can play those. I use Hoot Hoot. 2 Hoot Hoots. Knocked out. Okay. And I use for my EX, I use Flamingo EX. There's Miltank. Sorry, I think that was too fast. Very nice. Knocked out. I'll take it back a little bit. I was going pretty fast with these. Hoot Hoot. And of course, with my trainers, the majority of my trainers I'm going to have to retire. And I'm looking for more up-to-date ones. I'm going to scoop these. Continuously scoop these up. Okay. So my trainer, Mona. Love you, Mona. Awesome. I use Youngster. Of course, Youngsters. For the bounce Youngster, I use Jax. Of course, Boss's Orders. Ryan. Miss Ball. I use Great Ball. I'm going to scoop these up. The extra Caterpie right there. Okay. There's Great Ball. Great Ball. I'm just going to switch. Cuphead. Yes. Just sit it right there. Gear. Oh no. Ocean. And of course I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 18, 19, 20. Leaf or grass type energy. Depends on, if you're doing the video game or Alright, so that is my personal, or was, my personal play deck, and I am updating it as we speak. So the next shot is what we're going to get to today. We're going to be getting to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect order. Alright, booster box. Alright. Next shot, I will have the table changed and you will see it. Give me 1 second. Alright, we're back. Let's open some perfect order. Alright. And my box right here, my deck box. Obviously it opens up and there's my dice that I use. I use a Journey Together dice because I like the color of them. And I have extra counters and things like that, damage counters and things, just in case some other players don't have them when they place them. Just in case, it helps. It helps. So I hope everybody has been doing awesome. And I hope you've been playing the Pokemon TCG in all of its forms. Video game form. Alright, let's go. And we're going to be doing code cards after. Or, let's do them now. Okay. Gastly. Energy Swatter. Yes. You do see some gnats flying around. I do have quite a few plants in here, so you probably see them roaming around here. It's hard to kill them and not the plants, or deal with them and not hurt the plants. Alright. Remember, ooh, Scatterbug. Very cool. Love that. Whoa, Sazzle. Nice. And we have Basic Energy and the code card. Very cool. Alright. Let me put Sazzle. Oops. If I can see it, it's going to be in the background. Alright. Very cool, very cool. Let's do, I'm going to put that one right there. Let's do this one. Alright. So yes, I've been trying to find, some new rotations. I play, the grass type. Love that. So it's my bread and butter. Yupa. There is Clefairy making an appearance. Ooh. Roses encouraging. That is one that I am going to be putting in my rotation. So. And yes, now I do love this one too as well. So I believe that is going to be added into my rotation. Nice. You know what I'm trying to say. And energy with code card. Very cool. Alright, let's start here. So write down in the comments what is the type you like to use for your rotation. Do you like mostly what type? Like, I like to use grass type, so Put that in the comments. If you have a water type, we'll see. There's There's Energy Swatter. Meowstic. Sargon. There's Nose. Wow, love it. Oh, and we have, this is like this third one I've gotten. Very cute. We're putting them right here. Oh, and we have the Hollow Energy. Very cool, very cool. Special Energy. Sorry, Rocky. Very cool. Nice. Nice. And Energy with Full card. Let me put Eradicate in a protective sleeve. And later I will, you know what, I'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and put him in a top loader while I am at it. The top loaders I've been getting lately, they've been getting a lot better. Not having like, you know, that little, you know, kind of dot or I call it garbage, but the, you know, kind of stuff inside there. Here we go. What? So cool, so cool. Love it. I'll put that right there. Alright, what about this one? So yeah. Of course everybody's buzzing about the PlayStation, you know, debacle, whatever. But you know, I am a physical media person. I love it. So, you know, it's just Rowlet. Love some Rowlet. Love Rowlet. Jaw Fossil. Rose's Encouragement. There is another, see, you see that? That's a sign. I need that in my rotation. Wow, very cool. Oh man, what a we have a Sail Fossil. Oh, how cool is that? And Telepathic Energy, Special Energy. How cool is that? Very nice. With the coat. Alright. We have two more packs. So yeah, been digging, watching other channels, love it. Of course, you know how I feel about promoting other channels. Very important to do so. If you get a chance, watch Chance with Collectibles. He just released a video on a PSA return, all that good stuff. Chance is a very cool guy, very passionate about Pokemon and One Piece and all the like. So, he's a cool dude. And you'll have to get him talking about JDM cars. He loves some JDM cars. Spur. Talon Flame. I have a lot of the Talon Flames. Or, not a lot. And we have the Crew. Easy for you to say. Oh, nice. And code card. One more pack. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked my deck. I'm eager to see what you like to put into your deck. You know, not like all of them typed out, that'd be a lot. Staryu, that was on the pack, so maybe that's a good sign. Let's see, let me back that up off the camera. Look at that, that's cool. So this is the basic, this is the stage 1. It'd be cool if we had that. There's Pokepad, very nice. Pokepad, that is very important. Definitely in my rotation now. Oh, good. Love that. Oh, Jancy, I have this in this card. So awesome, so awesome. Don't forget this. Yay! Basic energy and a code card. Hey, thank you for joining me today on the Pokeplayer Geek. Come back, doing good things over here. We're going to be doing some more Perfect Order. Next time, we will probably open up the Chaos Rising. It's right here. Chaos Rising ETB. I love that. So we'll be opening that up more than likely next time. So we'll see what's going on. Thank you for joining me. Be safe, be kind to one another, and play Pokemon TCG in all its form, video game form, card form. Until next time, bye-bye.